Hi guys! GB WhatsApp is a popular modified variant of WhatsApp with several extra features which can do better than the basic version of the WhatsApp application. In this video I'm going to show you how to install GB WhatsApp on your phone. Let's go! GB WhatsApp installer is an APK file, which means you can get it from Play Store or Apple Store, so it can be installed on Android devices only, and to install it you need to find it first. So open web browser like Google Chrome and search for GB WhatsApp APK like this. Now you can open this source or look for another sources you trust like APK Mirror or gbplus.net. This source is okay for me. Now let's scroll down to download button, hit this button, hit it once again. Here, what I have here, scroll down, once again this button, download file. Once downloaded, tap on open over here. Your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You can change this in settings. So you need to go to settings, allow permission, and now you can install GB WhatsApp. You can open WhatsApp or right away close all windows, go to your app screen, swipe up from the bottom, find GB WhatsApp, add to home, move to the right place, to your main home screen for example, and that's it, GB WhatsApp is installed. Now let's open the application. We have like just normal WhatsApp screen here. Tap on the right arrow, agree and continue. Allow notifications, enter your phone number, don't forget about the country code. Tap next. If the number is correct, tap yes. It's requesting the code. Verify number. If you have a two-step verification on your WhatsApp, you need to enter your two-step PIN. It's verifying. Tap on continue here to allow access to contacts and media. Allow, once again allow. Allow to access to photos and videos. Allow all. Give permission to restore from Google Drive. Choose your account to restore. It's enabled to access your account at this time. Please try again later. Okay, later you can try to do this. Let's just open the application and look how it looks like. Okay, now enter your name. Tap next. It's connecting, initializing. Once again, enter your 2FA PIN code. And here is your freshly installed WhatsApp GB. Now you can explore for special features and find out what's the difference with normal WhatsApp, and keep in mind that you can't use two instances on WhatsApp on the same phone unless you use the cloning tool in your phone. So let's open normal WhatsApp. You have been logged out. And that's pretty it, guys. Enjoy your new application. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye.